bike, and the insane snowboard bike. Now we are back with 7 more crazy bikes you just have to see to believe. Enjoy! If you love to walk but also enjoy riding bicycles, we've got the perfect bike for you. Check out the LOPIFIT walking bike, a crazy combination of a treadmill and a bicycle. A totally new way of moving. Riding the LOPIFIT is as easy as taking a walk in the park. Instead of pedaling, you simply walk on a treadmill. This sends a signal to an electronic interface and activates a powerful electric-driven quantum motor, which turns the wheels. With a combination of gears and an electric assist, your walking pace is boosted up to the speed of a regular bike, increasing your walking speed by an amazing 400%. If you hit the brakes, the motor is immediately shut off. A freewheel function is activated when going downhill. The LOPIFIT's total length of 2.3 meters is accentuated with LED lighting from front to back, making you easily visible by traffic and pedestrians alike. On a 4-hour charge, the LOPIFIT can go for an unbelievable 55 kilometers. A handy rear luggage carrier sits atop the rear wheel for bringing along whatever you need for your excursion. Built upon a sturdy, solid steel frame with 6 levels of suspension, you can ride the LOPIFIT with confidence. Ready to go for a walk? How should James Bond get around when his Aston Martin is out of commission? Like this? Meet the B.O.N.D bike, a bicycle fit for a secret agent. The B.O.N.D bike can pretty much go anywhere. Instead of a rear wheel, this crazy creation has a special K-track Caterpillar track, suitable for rough terrains. If the bad guys happen to get too close on the street and pull up beside you, a flamethrower in the handlebars will make them think twice about invading your space. While evading an enemy agent in the snow would grind most bicycles to a halt, the B.O.N.D bike has a ski blade that can be interchanged with the front wheel. See you later, evildoers! Once you park the B.O.N.D bike to enter into your secret lair, one last special feature will help ensure no one steals it. Should a thief manage to defeat your bike lock and sit down on the seat, boom! An ejector seat sends them flying. Cycle insurer ETA created the B.O.N.D bike as an off-the-cuff promotion, and though it is real, it isn't for sale. Still, we can always dream. If a leisurely sightseeing trip is your idea of the perfect bike riding experience, this creation is probably not for you. This is the Bird of Prey. Created by California inventor John Aldrich and built by veteran bike builder Russ Denny. Aldrich claims that the Bird of Prey is the fastest racing bicycle on Earth. While we can't prove that, its design alone gives a strong illusion of speed. Its long, low profile and forward-facing, semi-prone riding position result in outstanding aerodynamics. Unlike most racing bikes, the Bird of Prey is actually comfortable to ride. Rather than sitting on a seat, the rider's hips rest on soft leather-covered supports, with the body fully extended. The elbows are supported by the aero bars at the front, with the feet clipped into the pedals at the rear. The low center of gravity means you'll never go flying over the handlebars. All this makes the Bird of Prey feel more like running, flying, or swimming than riding a bicycle. Its high-speed gears, mountain bike low gears, and 60-tooth rear chain ring provide excellent torque and surprisingly easy pedaling. So if you're driving along in your car and see someone flashing by you on a bicycle, you'll know you've just been caught by the Bird of Prey. Ready to free yourself from congestion, rush hour traffic, parking hassles, and fuel bills? You'll feel that freedom on this little marvel, the YIKEBIKE from New Zealand, one of the world's smallest personal transportation devices. This miniature penny-farthing design presents a distinct challenge to the status quo of traditional bicycle and scooter designs. The YIKEBIKE is a fully foldable electric bike that's easily collapsible down to approximately 6 by 24 by 24 inches. This, together with its 22-pound weight, make it the perfect companion for public transit systems. Abandoning the familiar forward-leaning riding position altogether, the layout opts for forward-pointing handlebars and hand grips mounted on the rear of the seat. The electric motor supplies quick and smooth acceleration, reaching a full speed of 20 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds. Learning to ride is said to be quick, easy, and more fun than anything else you can do while sitting down with your hands by your sides. Important safety features include high maneuverability, highly visible lighting that's always on, and a distinctive sound so that others can hear you coming. Yet the YIKEBIKE has